Let's now see the limitations or the disadvantages of cooperative societies. Limited resources. Resources are generated by the capital that is invested by the shareholders, by all the members, and the dividend that is paid to the shareholders is quite small because there is no profit earning. It is the purpose of these societies is welfare of the members. They do not make any profit out of their investment, out of their capital. So the dividend is what? That is the amount that is paid regularly. When the members invest some amount, out of profit, the profit is usually shared by all the shareholders. But here no profit is earned as such, so the dividend that they get on their investment is very little, so people usually are not very much interested in investing their money in such cooperative societies. Inefficiency in management. As I said, there is no profit generated, so they cannot invest money in appointing the professionals to take care of management activities, management works. Only the people who, the members, they voluntarily perform different management functions, so there is inefficiency as they are non-professionals. Lack of secrecy. One of the condition of such cooperative society is that all the information must be shared among all the members, so secrecy cannot be maintained as the society has an obligation to disclose its information to the members. Government control. Earlier I had told you that government offers several privileges to these cooperative societies. They get loan at low interest rates. Besides that, the raw materials that they procure, that is also given at subsidized rates, and they get tax benefits also. So when government is giving them privileges, so government has its involvement in the functioning of these cooperative society. Interference of the functioning of the cooperative organization through the control exercised by the state cooperative departments also negatively affects its freedom of operations. Differences in opinion. Cooperative society can run successfully when there is cooperation among all the members. But sometimes what happens, some of the members, they want to dominate over others. They want their opinion, they want their ideas to be implemented. So sometimes there are disputes and there are differences in the opinions. So these are the disadvantages or limitations of cooperative societies. Let's now see the types of cooperative society. How many types of cooperative societies we usually see around us? The first one is consumer cooperative society. A consumer cooperative store is set up to seek the elimination of middlemen and by establishing a direct link with the producer. So that way they have a steady supply of essential commodities and of standard quality, and they get it at fair prices. The other one is credit cooperative society. Credit cooperative societies are formed by people with limited means. They aim to provide financial assistance to its members and to promote the habit of saving and thrift among them. The third one is producer cooperative society. Producer cooperative society is organized by a small scale producer to face competition and to increase their production. Cooperative undertakings are a useful means of developing small scale and cottage industries. Producers' cooperatives are very helpful in obtaining raw materials, in improving the quality of their products. Next is marketing cooperative society. A cooperative marketing society is a voluntary association of small producers. These are formed to enable the members to secure competitive prices for their products. Next is farmers cooperative society. These are voluntary associations of small farmers who join together to avail the benefits of large scale farming techniques. They aim at scientific organization of agricultural involving use of improved seeds, fertilizers, irrigation, soil conservation and other modern techniques. Last one is housing cooperative society. These societies are formed to provide residential accommodation to all the members. They are organized by poor and middle class people in big cities where housing is a big problem. So this was about cooperative society, and this is all for today. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.